What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Just got over here to the shop. Going to work on this race car some more tonight. Not going to get to work on it for 12 hours like I did last time. Hopefully tonight it's going to be like a 4-hour adventure, hopefully. So the good news is I went and I got me a shot today. I was out of date on my TDAP, which is my tetanus. But so we got that done. I got that shot. My arm is really sore today. So today what I'm going to be working on is I'm going to cut these back bars out and I'm going to start tying all this frame rail in to the roll cage. So I got to get in there. I may end up, probably the easiest thing for me to do is going to be to take this rear end back out, get it out so I can start tying all this stuff in, and then that way it'll be a little easier for me to get in there and weld everything together. Or I might be able to just take tires off of it. Taking tires off of it might work too. It was a lot of work to get the rear end up in there. But that's what we're working on today. I'm gonna try not to get cut up today and add more injuries. I got burnt. Look at that blister. Woo, boy, that thing, it finally did pop up. That thing hurts. Hurts. Kind of like I'm getting beat up over here, but I guess that's part of working on the car. All right, here we go. So I have been over here. It's taking me about an hour to put this in. Now this is mild steel to mild steel, but I decided to TIG weld it. So you can see my TIG welds are not super bad, but they're not super good. But I mean, they're gonna work out. And I did get all the way around it. And boy, TIG welders, I mean, gosh, man, they are something else. Oh, that looks terrible under there. That's not bad. It's put together. But it's this is typically what you get in a chassis shop, I would imagine, especially the low dollar chassis shops. You get real good stuff up top, and then under the bottom it don't look quite so hot. But over here, I mean, this one turned out okay too. It's not terrible, but I'm learning. I'm a beginner MIG welder, so I mean, it's it's one of those things. I was getting some air bubbles over here on this side, and I think I got most of it cleared up. But God, it looks terrible. But I don't know what it was happening. It must have. I think what happened is I noticed on the back side of this, one of these stickers, I did not clean all the stickers off, and you see it's got the residue on it, and I think that's what it was that was popping. So that's one of the things they always say when you're TIG welding, it's got to be clean. I failed at cleaning that one properly, but this one over here, it welded pretty decent here. So that's not bad. So I got one bar in it. That's all I've gotten done. This is not good. So tonight, what I'm gonna do, my plan is to go from here to over here. So I'm gonna have to probably bend this one anyway, which I don't have access of the actual bender right now. And then I might go ahead and do the little stub out from here to here. I'm gonna do the stub out from this point to this point. And then I've got to get in here and clean all these welds up, all these pipes. I got to get these pipes completely off and knock those off so that that's not a problem. And then we'll start. I'm gonna come down, and this is gonna be like a double frame rail coming through here almost. Hopefully it's gonna work out good. Check out this Mustang Brian got in. Small block Ford. It's got a nice turbo on it. I think it's an 85 or 88 S400 base turbo. Brian's going to either have to move, stand the turbo up and modify the kit, or redo the pipe there. But this thing's going to be awesome. This is a beautiful little street ride. This is going to be a fun car when it gets done. So hopefully it'll get done in the next few weeks. Putting Holly on that. And we'll be tuning that one. I'll be getting a base tune in it. Probably going to the track with them a few times. But this thing's beautiful. I love it. All right, guys. Well, this has been... I haven't got crap done today. So the only thing I've got done is that one little bar there and these two little bars here. And I've been over here for... I put in a solid 4 hours, guys. So your chassis fabricators, it's amazing what they can do. The other thing I learned today is I'm too fat to be getting in this car out of position welding. And dude, I mean, it's just, I was crawled up in there like a little fetal position, and my belly's too big to be doing that. So I got to go on a diet. That's the first thing I got to do, which I am on a diet somewhat. So I need to lose some weight. I don't plan on doing this a ton, but if I ever need to do it, that's what I need to do. But I did TIG weld it all in. These 2 bars here are chromoly, that's mild steel. And so it's looking better. The other thing I learned is fitment. And you can see some of these welds are pretty fat. I mean, they're TIG welded, but they are fat welds. Now some of these up here are pretty. Some of these are halfway decent. The ones where it fitted up pretty tight and good. I mean, fitting is very important. The tighter the fit, the better. And see, this is what was done originally. And these are close-ups, so I mean, they're gonna look a little worse. But that was fitted halfway decent. This one up here was not fitted halfway decent. And it kind of bloated out a little bit. But I mean, the welds are good, they're solid, they're strong. This is what happens when you get a nice tight fit. When you get a nice tight fit, it welds a little better. So I gotta do better with my tight fitment, and I gotta do better with trying to get out of position. I don't know how you get out of position. I mean, that's, man. Okay, so this bar is in, this bar is there, and I'm done for the night. So that's gonna wrap it up. So, I mean, man, y'all gonna get like videos. It's gonna take, I mean, doing this 4-link in this car, y'all gonna get tired of seeing the videos of, it's like, okay, he put 3 bars in and you get a whole video. I'm sorry, guys. I mean, maybe I should condense it down. Y'all let me know in the comments. Would y'all rather me do a video every night when I'm over here working on it? Or would y'all rather me just like condense it down and maybe get like a 30-minute video like once a week or something? That may be the better thing. I think that's what I may start doing. But y'all let me know. I mean, racing season, we're, you know, losing light on the racing season for a little while. But y'all let me know what y'all think. So as you can see from these pictures, once I got through installing these 3 bars, I saw more bars I wanted to cut out. So the bars coming down to the subframe connectors that were installed, we cut all that stuff out, and it's going to be a cleaner install when we get done. But today, guys, we cut out 5 bars, we installed 3. Our net gain for today was minus 2 bars. At this rate, it's going to be a very long build, installing minus 2 bars every time we go down there. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all soon. Later.